In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to announce you're open to work on LinkedIn. This is an important step if you're in the job market and want to make sure that potential employers know that you're available. First, let's walk through this process together. To start, you need to navigate to LinkedIn's homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type in linkedin.com. Once you're on the website, it's time to log in. There are a few ways to do this. You can sign in using Google, Microsoft, or simply use your email address and password. If you're someone who prioritizes security, and you have two-factor authentication enabled, LinkedIn will prompt you to verify your account. You'll receive a code sent to your registered phone number. Just enter that code, and you'll be logged in. Now that you're in, direct your attention to the top right corner. Here, you'll find the Me icon. Click on it and then select View Profile from the drop-down menu. This will take you to your personal LinkedIn profile page, which is the area we're going to be working with today. As you glance at your profile, notice the Open To button, which is conveniently located just below your profile photo and headline. Next, click on this button, and you'll be given a choice to announce various opportunities you're interested in. Select the option that says Finding a New Job. When you do this, a pop-up window will appear, allowing you to provide more specifics about what you're looking for. Here's where you can outline the details of your job search. This is your opportunity to specify the job titles that interest you, your desired location, and your preferred work type, whether it's on-site, remote, or hybrid. Now, it's your chance to clearly communicate to potential employers what kind of opportunities are right for you. Another essential decision awaits you here. You need to determine who you want to share your status with. You can choose to make this visible to all LinkedIn members, which will add the Open to Work frame to your profile picture, making it visible to everyone. Alternatively, if you prefer a more discreet approach, opt to share this only with recruiters. Once you've set your preferences and filled in all the necessary details, go ahead and click the Add to Profile button. This action saves all your changes and ensures that your new Open to Work status is officially visible. And that's it. You've now successfully set your LinkedIn profile to let the world or just the recruiters know that you're open to work. This simple action can make all the difference in expanding your network and learning about new opportunities. Thank you for joining me today, and best of luck with your job search.